driving time. Gotta go get a coffee, you know? Good boy. 4x4s are on. Pulled out of there, no problem. Should be a piece of cake. See how it goes. Snow? What snow? Okay, tackling these wires. Slowly coming along. It looks like a mess, but I have it figured out. I ran a bunch of new stuff too, new wires. So I just gotta kind of tie them all up, clean them up, and but let's do a little test here. What we got going so far. So that switch there, and this switch does these lights up in here, and that one there, and this one there. Alright. This switch again. Just gonna do those underglow lights when the dash is on. Still gotta do the carpet after and all that, but that'll be after. So that's basically two switches I got done there so far with these lights. So I'm gonna run a couple of dummy wires to the other three switches, so I have them available for when I figure out where I'm gonna put more lights. But I'm gonna get this dash put back in. I got the wires here for the windshield wiper ready to go when I get the new switch. So I could put that in, and then we can put this dash all back together. And that would be nice. That'd be good to get this dash back on. Clean it up in here and get some organization happening. And yeah, so stand by. We'll be back with some more updates when we get closer to getting the dash on. We'll check it out again, and when it gets dark, check out the lights inside. See if it's starting to look a little psychedelic in here. It's looking good, eh? Yeah. Oh, good boy. Yeah. You want to go for the ride? Yeah. Yeah. We got to clean out the inside tomorrow. And then we take it for a ride, okay? Sound good? Good boy. Good boy. Let's go. Okay, so far I got this part in. Wires are hooked up for that. There's my power window, or power wiper motor switch. Gotta put that in there now. The switches. A couple more screws I gotta put up top. And looking good. I gotta tidy all these wires hanging still. These are going into switches that are on there. And gotta put that overhead console part back on with the blue lights. Check this thing out at night. Okay, somewhat back together. Just taking it for a little test boot. But that's for those lights up there. And there's supposed to be some lights down there as well, but I gotta fix those ones a bit. Then we got those ones for down there, which probably just leave it like that anyway. Then we got that guy there, which is gonna have a couple up front too. But yeah. Likes to stumble when I kick it down still. I gotta fix that. Got the blue lights on the cluster. Hey, good Dipper boy. How's he doing? Okay, tomorrow I'm gonna start cleaning up this mess inside the van. Okay, for the nighttime review. Let's see how it looks. So dark for a second here. Turning the key forward. Boom. So, we get this. First light gives us those guys up top. Okay, go to the second switch. Gives us the underglow. Cool. Third switch gives us these 3 lights up top there. I know. All of them. That's all of them. Definitely light brightens it up in here. Now, our switch panel down here. Whoa. Alright, let's turn these off. Ooh, they're blue. I think I'm missing one bulb I gotta still put in there. Yeah. And if we go with these guys. Oh yeah, I love it. Just gotta put all this stuff back together tomorrow. Clean up some of those wires hanging. Beauty. Loving it. A little update on the newly installed dash situation here. Can't see nothing with the sun, but looking good. I still got some minor detail touch-ups here and there and whatnot. Definitely got to do this carpet. It's one of the next jobs. But aside from that ugly carpet, looking good. I'm loving it. I still got to put in the dash section here with the gauges. This part I still got to put in, which is this thing right here. So I got some more wiring there to do, but then I'm going to paint this part here inside the steering wheel. Tidy up some more wiring. Still got to install a few more pieces there. It's looking good. Yeah. Yes, Dino's calling. Okay. I'll give you a little update when I install this section here. Might be on the next video. We'll see.